Okay, will you do it again?
You've seen what it's like chasing after rain. Well, the series Monday at 10, only on TLC.
You do like it now? Ooh.
Alexis is generally easy.
That was a laugh!
Now you hear that?
Holy crap! It was on camera! We got it on camera! Yes! Can you do it again? Can you do it again? I can't believe that made you cry 2 seconds ago and now you're laughing. Now you're laughing. Do it again. Do it again. What if I rub these bubbles off your face? You like that? Okay. Okay, we won't push it.